Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to access your email account provided by the IT department, add subjects, enroll students, and create announcements, quizzes, assignments, and other course activities. Let's get started. Part 1. Accessing your email. First, use the email account provided by the IT department. Open your email using Microsoft Outlook or Google Chrome. If you are using Google Chrome, search for Webmail and open the appropriate Webmail login page. Log in using the username and password provided by the IT department. Enter the required login details carefully. After logging in, go to your inbox. If you cannot find the email you're looking for, check your junk or spam folder. Once you find the email from the IT department, open it and carefully read the instructions. Use the information provided in the email to access your Moodle account. If the password provided by the IT department does not work, do not repeatedly attempt to log in. Contact the IT department and request assistance or a password change. Part 2. How to log in to Moodle. After opening the email from the IT department, take note of the Moodle login information provided. Open the Moodle website provided by your institution. For the username, use the email address provided by the IT department. Enter the password provided in the email. Then, click the Login button. If this is your first time logging in, Moodle may require you to change your password. Create a new password according to your institution's password requirements. For example, your password may need to begin with a capital letter, followed by lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure your new password meets all of the requirements shown on the screen. Enter the new password again to confirm it. Once the password has been successfully changed, you should be able to access the Moodle dashboard. And there you go. Welcome to your Moodle dashboard. Part 3. How to add or enroll in subjects. To search for a subject, go to the upper section of the Moodle dashboard. Look for the course search button and click it. Enter the name or identification number of the class you're looking for. After searching, find the designated class. For example, if the class is called Learn Moodle, select the appropriate course. Depending on your role, select the appropriate enrollment option. If you are enrolling as a student, select Enroll as a student. If you are a teacher or have permission to teach the course, select the Teacher or Enroll as a teacher option, if available. Make sure you select the correct class before enrolling. Once enrollment is complete, the subject should appear in your Moodle courses. If you are a teacher, find your subject or course and select it. After that, click Enroll Me as a Teacher. If you see a teacher button, click it and enroll using the provided key. After that, you can access the course in your dashboard and click it. Part 4. How to add students. To add students to your course, first open the appropriate Moodle course. At the upper section of the page, look for Participants. Click Participants. Then click Enroll Users. A search window will appear. Search for the name or account of the student you want to add. Select the correct student from the search results. If you need to add another student, search for the next student's name and select their account. Continue this process until you have selected all the students you want to enroll. Once all the students have been selected, click the Enroll Users button to complete the process. The selected students should now be enrolled in the course. Part 5. How to add announcements, quizzes, assignments, and other activities. To edit your course, first turn on Edit Mode. Look for the Edit Mode option in the upper right corner of the Moodle page. Turn Edit Mode on. Next, open the course where you want to add or change content. When Edit Mode is enabled, you will see editing options throughout the course. Look for the pencil or edit icon next to the section you want to modify. Adding an announcement. To add an announcement, go to the General section of your course. Click the appropriate editing option, enter your announcement or important message, review the information, and save your changes. Adding an activity or resource, click the plus sign. You will see options for activities and resources. Some of the most commonly used activities and resources are assignment, quiz, and page. Select the activity or resource you want to add. Click Add. Fill in all the required information. Depending on the activity, you may need to provide instructions, dates, grading information, questions, or other settings. When you have finished entering the required information, click Save and return to course. You should now see the new activity or resource displayed in your course. You can repeat these steps whenever you need to add more announcements, assignments, quizzes, pages, or other learning materials. Closing, and that's it. Adding a week or course section. To add a new week or course section, click Add Week or the corresponding option available in your Moodle version. Enter the name or title of the section. After creating the section, click the plus sign to add content. You now know how to access your IT-provided email, log into Moodle, change your password, enroll in subjects, add students, and create announcements, quizzes, assignments, and other course activities. Remember to carefully check the information provided by your IT department. And if you experience problems with your account or password, contact the IT department for assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and welcome to Moodle.